you guys, how you doing? It's Darren with FishinMoney here, Team FishinMoney. Hey, we're gonna do something special today. We haven't ever done a giveaway for just you guys on the YouTube channel. So we're gonna do that. I posted a video, and those who saw it heard what I said and followed directions and commented on that video. There were 27 who qualified to be in the giveaway. Now what this is it's a giveaway of a plug that was given away before, but when I reached out 7 or 8 times, the person who won it did not get back with me. So make sure that you the only way you're going to know if you won is on this channel. I will send you a message through the chat on this channel, on my YouTube channel. The video where you replied, that's where I'm going to send the message. If I can't get a hold of you, I'm going to look at my emails and see if you're signed up for my giveaway, if I can find you in there. But keep in mind, I have over 600 people in there, so if your name's not exactly like it is on your YouTube, I probably won't find it. So you got to be watching this video to find out. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to do like I always do. I'm going to go to the random number generator. We have 27 qualified. We're going to find out who wins this thing. It's called an AC plug. It's 9 inches. It's good for big fish, stripers, muskie, any kind of bass, largies, smallies, anything that can get their mouth around it. It's a big one. So we're going to pause right here. We're going to go do the random number generator, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's go to our random number generator and see who won. Random number generator. I got to put in the appropriate number of contestants, which is 27, and hit randomize. Let's see who wins this. You ready? Here we go. Bam, number 7. Don't know who that is. Let's go find out.
Hey everybody, surprise, it's me, Ethan. We didn't end up filming the last part of that video yesterday, so I'm just filming it today. So, yeah, the lucky number was number 7, and the winner was Kelly O. You won, Kelly. The way you're going to be able to have this sent to you is you're going to go to FishinMoney.com, and at the very top, there's going to be a thing that you can apply for a free sticker. And that's how we're going to get your email address and your address so that we can send you the AC plug, and you'll also get a free sticker in there as well. So that's how we're going to send it to you. Make sure you do that. If Kelly does not, do that or comment in a little bit, we'll try to remind her. But if she doesn't, then we'll have to do another giveaway. But someone already lost the chance to win this one. So Kelly, if you're listening to this, you're watching this right now, make sure you go check that out. And anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go check out FishinMoney.com, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.